The 2026 Toyota Armored Sprinter 6x6 camper is not just another camper van. It is a statement of power, survival, and luxury combined into one unstoppable machine. Designed for explorers who refuse to stop where the road ends, this beast redefines what it means to travel safely, comfortably, and without limits. At first glance, the Armored Sprinter 6x6 looks aggressive and purposeful. The reinforced armored body panels give it a military-inspired appearance, while still maintaining Toyota's signature design language. Every line, every angle has a reason. This camper is built to protect its occupants in the harshest environments, whether crossing deserts, dense forests, snowy mountains, or unstable terrains where normal vehicles would surrender. Under the hood, Toyota equips the Armored Sprinter with a powerful turbocharged diesel engine engineered for torque rather than just speed. This engine delivers relentless pulling power, allowing the camper to climb steep slopes, crawl over rocks, and power through mud with confidence. Paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission and Toyota's advanced drivetrain technology, the vehicle remains smooth on highways and brutally capable off-road. The 6x6 drivetrain is the heart of this camper's dominance. With 6 powered wheels, traction is maximized on every surface. Whether you are driving on loose sand, icy roads, or deep mud, the vehicle distributes power intelligently to keep moving forward. Locking differentials, reinforced axles, and a raised suspension system work together to provide unmatched stability and ground clearance. Toyota engineers have also focused heavily on durability. The chassis is strengthened with high-tensile steel, capable of supporting the additional weight of armor and luxury interior components. Skid plates protect critical mechanical parts, while reinforced bumpers and recovery points ensure that this camper is always ready for extreme situations. Step inside the 2026 Armored Sprinter 6x6 camper, and the atmosphere changes completely. From the outside, it looks like a tactical survival vehicle, but inside, it feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. The interior is carefully designed to provide comfort, safety, and functionality during long journeys. Premium leather seats with heating and ventilation welcome you in the cockpit. The driver's area is equipped with a large digital instrument cluster, advanced navigation system, and off-road monitoring displays. Cameras placed around the vehicle provide a 360-degree view, making maneuvering this massive camper surprisingly easy. Behind the cockpit lies the living space, and this is where the Armored Sprinter truly shines. The camper features a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, and ample storage for food supplies. Whether you are parked in the wilderness or traveling across continents, you can prepare meals with ease. The sleeping area is designed for maximum relaxation. A spacious bed with premium mattress materials ensures restful sleep even after long off-road drives. Soft ambient lighting, sound insulation, and climate control create a peaceful environment no matter where you are parked. One of the standout features of this camper is its advanced climate system. The 2026 Armored Sprinter is built to handle extreme temperatures. Whether it's scorching desert heat or freezing mountain cold, the interior remains comfortable at all times. Insulated walls, armored windows, and intelligent temperature control systems work together to maintain a perfect balance. The bathroom is compact yet luxurious, featuring a shower, toilet, and sink with water-saving technology. Freshwater and wastewater tanks are designed for long afternoon-house travel, allowing you to stay off-grid for extended periods without sacrificing hygiene or comfort. Safety is where the Armored Sprinter truly separates itself from conventional campers. The armored body provides ballistic protection against threats, making it ideal for high-risk regions or remote adventures. Bullet-resistant glass, reinforced doors, and run-flat tires ensure that the journey continues even under extreme conditions. Toyota integrates advanced driver assistance systems to enhance safety further. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency braking, and terrain response systems make driving this massive camper less stressful and more secure. Off-road modes allow the driver to select specific terrain settings, optimizing suspension, throttle response, and traction control. Energy independence is another key highlight. The camper is equipped with solar panels on the roof, high-capacity lithium batteries, and an efficient generator system. This setup allows you to power appliances, lighting, and electronics without relying on external sources. Whether camping deep in the wilderness or stopping in remote locations, you remain fully self-sufficient. The exterior also offers smart storage solutions. Roof racks, rear storage compartments, and side-mounted utility boxes provide space for extra fuel, water, tools, and adventure gear. An integrated awning creates a comfortable outdoor living area, perfect for relaxing after a long day of travel. Despite its size and strength, Toyota ensures that the armored Sprinter remains surprisingly refined on the road. Noise insulation, advanced suspension tuning, and aerodynamic improvements make highway driving smooth and stable. Long-distance journeys feel effortless, allowing you to cover thousands of kilometers in comfort. The 2026 Toyota Armored Sprinter 6x6 camper is designed for a very specific type of traveler. This is not just a vacation vehicle. It is built for explorers, survivalists, and adventurers who demand absolute reliability, protection, and luxury in one package. It is equally suitable for extreme expeditions, luxury overlanding, or high-security travel. Every detail of this camper reflects Toyota's commitment to engineering excellence. From the armored construction to the intelligent technology and luxurious living space, this vehicle represents the future of extreme adventure camping. In a world where freedom is defined by how far you can go, the 2026 Toyota Armored Sprinter 6x6 camper removes all limits. Roads end, maps fade, but this machine keeps moving. It is not just a camper. It is a fortress on wheels, a home in the wild, and a symbol of unstoppable exploration.